Tiny decisions, happy moments. Sofia and Ethan arrived at the riverbank, picnic basket in hand, ready for a day of relaxation and laughter. They spread their blanket, unpacked their snacks, and smiled at each other, excited for a peaceful day together. Sofia suggested, "Why don't we try something new today?" Ethan nodded, intrigued by her spark. They launched their canoe and paddled gently along the calm river, laughing as small waves splashed their legs. Halfway through, they paused to enjoy a refreshing smoothie from their starting point day uno kit, light, nutritious and energizing. A playful splash from Ethan splattered Sofia. They laughed, realizing that small moments like this made the day unforgettable. As the river carried them along, they talked about small decisions, like nutrition, wellness, and spending meaningful time together, that truly mattered. They returned to the riverbank, stretching out on the grass and enjoying the gentle breeze, feeling energized by their adventure. With light hearts and lifted spirits, they realized that small decisions, like choosing healthy habits together, created big happy moments. Sofia and Ethan discovered that wellness could be joyful, simple, and shared. For them, Punto de Partida Día Uno was a little spark in their day. If you want to start your journey, it's available in the Club SinRebote online store.